Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the aspect ratio on your LG Smart TV. First of all, in order to do that, you're going to have to switch to some external device on your TV. So let's press the input button on the remote control to switch to our external device. In my case, it's going to be PlayStation 5, which I have right here. So let's select it on the list, and after that, in order to change the aspect ratio for this HDMI output, we're gonna have to press the gear button on the remote control to open settings. Then if you enter the quick settings menu, you're gonna have to press the gear icon once again to open all settings menu. Now select picture tab, and in picture tab, navigate to aspect ratio. Now select user selection, and here you're gonna have all the available aspect ratios that you can switch to. Just select the one that you like, and this way you will change the aspect ratio of your screen. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.